Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel with another wonderful unboxing video for you today. Obviously, as you can see, it is a MacBook Pro. This one is the 14-inch one and it's the M1 chip with the 16 I believe GPU and the 10 core chip in inside this. So let's open it, or shall I say let's go round the box first. So here you are. As you can see, we have the 16GB unified memory. It tells you here everything, and this confirms what I just said. And it's got 1TB SSD. So let's open it. Let's go like this. Oh, the box there. Wow, here it is. So let's just put this on the side and we'll open this in a minute. Let's just see what we have in the box. So in the box, what you get is this pamphlet, I believe, with all the usual leaflets that you need, but not many people usually read all this, because I usually don't. And this is what you get. So you get these, and you get the actual stickers that you can put on and all that. So there you are. We're not going to go through that. Here you get the actual MagSafe 3 it's called, and what it is, it's all braided. So if we want to open this, let's just open this like this, because I know you guys want to have a look at this. And to open it, well, just unattached everything like this. Because if I was I'm so excited about this, because I had one before and it lasted like for 6 years. Monitor went. I don't think it was worth repairing anything, so I went out and bought a new one. So here we are with this. Let's just check this out. And a lot of it's tied down pretty well. So here we are. It's braided. Yeah, as you can see. The MagSafe, USB-C on the other side. And you get obviously the charger. The charger is pretty much standard. Yeah, so let's just unwrap this as well. Here we go. Nicely. As usual, nice unwrapping here, and here you are. That's where the USB-C is. This will tell you, I don't know if you can see that. I am sorry if you can't. But anyway, there you are. This will come off. So if you are in a non-European country like the UK or the USA, these are slightly different. So there you are. So that's that, and we have that. And let's just put that on the side here. Everything else is empty, so there's nothing in there. So let's just close that, put that there, and let's go to the main laptop, shall we say, like that. So let's unwrap it, see what it looks like. Nice, nice. Other side, oh, comes off really nicely. And this is a space gray. I like the space gray more than the actual silver. Don't know why. Color is a little bit better, I think. You can see it's all rounded now and nicely done. And now at the bottom you have the logo, MacBook Pro, and all that. So let's open it here. Can lift it slightly, and there you are. And it opens straight away. And this you can unwrap like that. There you are. You can see me here now, and there you are. That is starting up. And you have the keyboard without the actual other one that was lit up and everything like that, which I didn't like as well. Most people did, but I did not. This is in German, obviously, because it's in a German country. Yeah, Austria or Germany, you get these keyboards. In the UK, you get the UK one, which is slightly different letters and everywhere, and etc. like that. So with this box, what you get the laptop, obviously. You get the charger, and you get the braided cable to charge the actual laptop. And that's all it is, really, for that amount of money. I don't think it's worth it, but anyway, maybe. There's another one which is higher than that, which costs probably about twice as much as this. This is probably about 2,500, and the other one's probably 5. So me, I cannot afford it, unfortunately, but this is good for me and for my YouTube channel and on the go and etc. like that. So hopefully I will have some fun with this and do you great videos with it. So if you like the video, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget the bell for don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. If I said that right, I don't know, I've been drinking last night or something. Anyway, thanks for watching.